Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to install WordPress on your site and bumped into the message saying, "Installation already exists," you know just how frustrating that can be. Maybe you want a completely fresh start for your site. Or you've inherited a WordPress installation that's full of old content you don't need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reset your WordPress site to its default settings safely, without needing to dive into messy manual reinstalls or file uploads. Let's get right into it. First, if you still have access to your WordPress dashboard, and you're looking for the quickest and most reliable way to wipe everything and start from scratch, like your website is a blank slate, but you don't want to fuss with re-uploading WordPress files, the best solution is to use a plugin called WP Reset. This tool is designed specifically for moments like this, and it keeps things simple and safe. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard and on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and select Add New in the search box at the top right. Type in WP Reset, it should come up as one of the first results. This plugin is maintained by a trusted developer and has been downloaded thousands of times, so you can install with confidence. Click the Install Now button and then the Activate button. Just a quick note, installing plugins is something you probably do often. But with WP Reset, you're about to make some big changes. So make sure you're really ready to clear your site. Next, you'll want to actually perform the reset. On the left menu, look for Tools. When you hover over it, you'll see WP Reset as a new option. Click that. You'll be taken to the WP Reset page, which lays out exactly what's about to happen. This plugin will return your WordPress database to its original default state. It's sort of like giving your site a clean canvas. All plugins, themes, posts, and users, except for the one you're logged in as, will be removed. It won't delete your uploaded files, like images in your media library. But the database, the thing that links all your site data together, will be wiped. This is exactly what you want if you're hitting that installation already exists error and need a true reset. Before you proceed, the plugin will ask you to confirm your action. You'll see a confirmation box where you need to type the word reset. This is a good safeguard because you really can't undo this process. It's like emptying out a closet instead of just moving things around. So go ahead and carefully type reset in the box and then click the red Reset Site button. After you confirm, the plugin does its work. This usually takes just a few moments. But don't worry if it seems like nothing's happening for a few seconds. That's perfectly normal. When it's finished, you'll be logged out, and when you log back in, your site will be completely reset to default WordPress settings. And that's it. You've now sidestepped the installation already exists headache, and you're ready to build your new site from a clean foundation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you ran into any issues or have questions about the WP Reset plugin, just drop a comment down below. I always do my best to help out, and if you want more clear tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and good luck with your fresh WordPress site.